Hi, today I'm for the Nokia G42 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So launch first the Gmail application. Tap on the right upper corner and to log out from Gmail app, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. To do that, tap to manage accounts on this device, click to your Google account and tap to remove account. Confirm your option. Are you sure? Okay. Now let's just confirm your option if you use some protect methods. In Google accounts, we just successfully logged out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we also successfully logged out from Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.